Hey guys, here we are this week. I'm here with the Welsh Explorer over on his channel. Now, I'm normally over on my own channel, Moocharoo. It's all about Bitcoin and all that type of stuff. But today, we're doing some tech reviews. So we've got these two bikes. Aaron's bike is the, what's your bike called?
It's a 1500 watt. It's called the E-Beast. It's a cyclotricity bike. It's a manufacturer in England. It's quite fast, about 37 miles per hour, maximum speed. Really good in the flats, not so good on the hills because you don't get a torque through the hub motor.
And it looks as though your rear tyre's seen better days. You know, I don't know if you can see that. It's it's pretty worn. And after how many weeks is that?
8 weeks. 8 weeks and 900 kilometers.
So we're just going to go for a little race just down the beachfront and see how far we go. I'm not sure how far I'm going to go because we're comparing it this week with just a normal bog standard old man's bike with a nice little thing here to put some sandwiches, whatever you might be taking with you. So, right, you ready,
I think
Aaron?
we should have a bit of a wager. So say
a wager? What sort of wager? I'm not sure.
Steak and chips. Steak and chips for the winner. The loser pays.
Maybe. We'll see. Depends if I win. All right, let's get cracking.
Try and go from standing start to see how fast I can.
Thumb throttle only. Okay, so the worst has happened. It's raining, yeah. So we're kind of just stuck in here, hiding under the trees. The bike's just there. And, well, have you brought a coat?
Nope.
No,
Got a jacket, no coat.
No coat, so just a t-shirt. That's the British summers for you. So, your bike, let's be honest, it's faster. It's a lot faster. And
Yeah, acceleration is definitely 300% faster.
Yeah.
Top end speed is probably 400% faster. The only thing you have on me is probably better brakes because I ain't got a good back tire.
Better brakes because I'm slower. Let's be honest, because I'm slower. And you know, but I am burning more fat on my manual. Yeah, I mean the question is, I think, is are they actually safe in public? You know, I've seen you go past a lot of kids and old men, you know, just sort of hugging the side of the road there as you're like flying past.
It depends how you ride. I'd say they're safe providing you keep your distance from passerbys.
So you don't think that they're going to be outlawed on the pavement or on cycle paths anytime soon?
Well, technically they're already illegal.
Are they?
The Department of Transport are looking into legalising them in the UK.
Yeah.
Like they are in America.
Well,
like in America, you're allowed 750 watt.
Yeah.
And the rest of Europe, you're allowed 300 watt. Here, for some mystical reason, we're only allowed 250 watt. Although this is running a 1500 watts. But yeah, I think they are going to become legal because they're a green alternative to normal combustion engines. They're quick, they're fast, it's just a great alternative.
But it is raining and it is electric, so you might electrocute yourself, right?
Yeah, I don't know if it's waterproof, that's the only thing.
You know, let's hope so. It's my only chance. It's my only chance to win. Well, the rain stopped. So time for a quick bit of food, and then old Aaron is going to give me a shot on his bike, see how I get on. All right, we're ready again now. We just had something to drink and something to eat, so we're going to swap bikes and give it a go. I'm going to have a go with this electric bike, but I've got no idea what I'm doing. So Aaron, what do we do?
Right, I've already put the battery on, so I'll just switch the battery on now. On.
Where's that?
Right here. So the battery is located on here. Switch it on. There's a USB port there as well, but we don't need that today. Let's shut that. Right, if you look at the LCD panel, you just switch it on, the middle button. You've got 5 levels of assist. Today we're going to be on level 5. The top left is the battery status, timings and distance and your speed. This is a thumb throttle.
Okay.
Which you can see.
Okay.
Front brake, back brake. That's all you need to know.
That's simple.
That's simple.
Okay, let's give it a shot. Oh, that's too easy. Wow, I've just ridden this. It is amazing. It is so fast. It's like hardly any effort at all. I don't think it's going to be good if you want to get a bike to lose weight and keep fit, because it's just way too easy to ride. And look at this guy. He's a bit tubby. Cons, what are the problems with this?
Well, for a start, the batteries cost about £350, which isn't cheap.
Yeah.
You're only going to get about 10 kilometers out of this battery. It's a 17 amp hour battery. 3.5 kilos. So when you're carrying a spare one of these in your bag, you know you're carrying one of these. That being said, you can go pretty much flat out about 35 miles an hour for about 10 kilometers before it runs out.
And
so
the other con for sure has to be the back wheels.
Yeah.
I mean, that's what, 3 weeks wear?
It's about 4 weeks wear. That's heavy usage. Obviously, you're never gonna wear a standard bike out that fast. But when you're wheeling up hills, it does shred the tyres so well. The other drawback is you do get a bit of motor drag. So when you do run out of battery, which you will at some point, you get a bit of range anxiety. When the battery runs out, it's like cycling in mud. It's a heavy bike.
Yeah, I'd have to definitely agree with that. I mean, the weight on this thing is just horrendous. This is not a bike. It's like trying to lift. It's like trying to lift a motorbike. It's really, really heavy.
The cost, these bikes aren't cheap. The normal bike you can pick up from Halfords or any other retailer really for about $500, £500. This bike, you're talking about close to $2,000, $2,500. It's a lot, and it's only the start. It's a starter e-bike really. It's not the best e-bike you can buy. There are a lot more higher end models, a lot faster models, a lot of custom kits. So if you're looking for an e-bike to start with, superb. Fast, quick, relatively cheap, fantastic. But it's not the greatest out there. You've got to factor that in. If you're looking for something that's going to last you another 10 years, maybe you want to make your own kit. Maybe you want to bring in your own skills in the equation.
So who do you reckon that an e-bike is for? I mean, for me, I've got to say, I do like it. It's nice and fast. But if I'm going to go out with my family and we're going to be cycling around, I like to sort of keep fit and all that type of stuff. It's awesome, though. It is awesome. I think maybe commuting is probably who the bike's for sure.
If you just want to get somewhere and you don't want to use a train, you don't want to use a car, you don't want any expensive car parking fees or anything like that, fantastic.
Yeah,
you can
and no road tax as well.
Yeah, no road tax. No taxes whatsoever. To charge the battery probably costs about 10 pence, if that.
Yeah, it's a winner. I don't know why these young kids these days, you know, they're having like mopeds and scooters or whatever. I mean, just get an electric bike. That is so easy to ride. It really is.
This is definitely the future of transport. Anywhere. It's just so reliable, so easy to use. If you can ride a bike, you can ride this bike.
Okay, so that's it. If you want to not be fat and be nice and fit, get a proper normal standard bike. And if you just want an easy way to get to work with no tax, get yourself one of these electric bikes. They are Pretty awesome. And yeah, if you want to know about Bitcoin and making some cash with all that type of stuff, don't forget to check out my channel. It'll be down in the description below. And that's it from me and the Welsh explorer, Aaron.
Yep.
And see you all again next week.
Just on my way home and flat. So it's finally gone. It's finally given up the ghost. 2 miles from home. Nice. When you're cycling, this is always why you should carry a multi-tool with you. Precisely this. I can't push the bike because this is getting jammed up. Without this, I wouldn't be able to cut it. And when your tyre does blow out, it means you have to push it. And it's a nice and heavy bike. Lovely.